I'm Andrew Churchman. I run a small company, Andrew Churchman Limited. We get involved in old listed and historic buildings. So anything from stone masonry and brickwork, everything's lime based, so lime mortars, lime renders, lime plasters, basically looking after the fabric of old buildings. First saw an advert in, I think it was Professional Builder, a long time ago now, and it was exactly the right tool that we needed for a specific job. The job in hand was we were cutting a lot of stone out of an old chimney flue, a gable end, where the stone had suffered damage over the years through the chimney flue and through the weather. So we got to cut out a lot of stone here. Normally we'd do it with a drill and drill each stone out and remove it that way, but I saw the advert for the Arbortech and thought, well, this is the piece of kit that we've been wanting for a long time. So that's how it came about. We purchased the saw and never looked back. It's time saving is the most crucial thing, I guess. We use it for brick replacement and stone replacement, whereby we have to cut out old masonry and insert new, so it's just the speed of use. Plus also the ease of use, the fact that you're able to cut quite substantially deep with it is a great benefit, just in one hit. So you'll get a brick out comfortably in a matter of, sort of almost seconds to your thinking. In a lot of instances we're not damaging that brick at all. It cuts out very cleanly, so we may be able to turn that brick around and reuse it. So that's one real advantage as well. But just speed and ease of use for cutting out old masonry. We also use it for raking out mortar joints prior to repointing, so it gets us to the correct depth to be able to repoint. So another great use for the Arbortech. Yeah, we've been using the Arbortech now for 18 years. Fantastic piece of kit, and I'd have no hesitation in recommending it to anybody in our line of work or general builders. It really is a versatile tool. Yeah, absolutely no hesitation in recommending this at all. It's fantastic, you'll not regret it.